Hello friends, welcome to our channel where you learn something about the latest tools and technologies. In this video, we will learn how to fetch the files from Google Drive using C MVC.net. So as we know, we are going to fetching the files from Google Drive. Means we have an account of Gmail. So I have already created a Gmail account, as you know, for testing purpose. I have already created a Gmail account. So and then go to the console, Google Cloud Console platform of that Gmail account. Here you see that we don't any project. So firstly we need to create a project. Before creating a project you can't do anything like a credential or OAuth. Everywhere we first need to create a project. So firstly we are going to create a project where from create project, give any name like we are going to give the project name is yes, we have created a name drive access projects, then create simply. Yes, after creating project, let's yes, yes, after creating project you will see the other sections. So before creating a credential you have to create OAuth consent screen, because it will not give you permission to directly create a credentials. So firstly go to OAuth consent screen and then select external, create. This is simple step, and this is the place where you will give the name of your app. This is not the app name like Android. This is the name from which using that name you will access this section. So I'm going to give the name is drive access, or you can give any other name like anything, drive file access, suppose anything, and give a name. I've already selected my default email. You can give a logo if you have, otherwise this is not mandatory to give any logo. Then app domain name. During the testing period you need not to give this compulsory. After when you go to for publish, then that is compulsory. So developer contact information, give your email just like and then save, and then add scopes. Scope means which type of service you want to use. So firstly add scope, but before adding scope you have to enable the Google API library. Then go click that, Google Drive API, and enable. After that you can add all the scope of the related to Google Drive API. Yes, now it is enabled. Then go back to here and search the your scope. So firstly, now type here Google Drive API, then you will check that there is list of the Google Drive APIs which are providing the service. So firstly we need to only one API, Google Drive API, where you can see what service are provided here. You can see the files, edit, create, delete, and this is sufficient for us. So select this and then update. So you have added this scope, and then save, continue. Test user, you have to add a username from which that user can access the drive, because before publishing your app you can't go for live, go for any other user. So I'm going to add the name, add the email ID, you can up to 100 email IDs. So save and continue. And now this is the set. Here you have summary of what you have filled in. If you want to change anything, then go back and edit that, and then back to dashboard. After this you need to create a credential. I want to indicate that in between I told that need to publish app. So this is the publisher. After creating a project app, you will get that option, means publisher. Before publishing you are in testing mode. In testing mode you can't go for live, or go any other person can use which is not added in the list of email. So currently we are in testing mode, so we will not go for publish mode is already have some steps, so I will cover that steps in other video. So after this we will go for credentials and create a credential. For that, create credential and OAuth client ID, this much. Click here and then select the application type, which application type you are going to work. So if your application is web application, then select web application. If your application is Android, means from Android application you are going to access files, so you have to select Android, or Chrome app, iOS, whatever you want. So I am going to give demo related to web application, so I am going to select a web application. Here you will give the name, you can give any name. Web application drive access. Then Then here you have to add a URI where to you redirect your page. So I right there. This is not compulsory to use this same port. This URL is that on which port your application is going to run. This is compulsory to use it. Then create. That's it. That's it. You have done everything which is needed here. And after that you will get a file this. Then download this file. Here you will get a client secret ID and your client ID. This is compulsory. Using these information you will access the file. So and this is video going it too long, so I will cover the coding part in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Download this video then. Okay, bye.